guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to play, what does it is called, I don't know what it is. Okay, extreme car driving, guys. Okay, this is so realistic. I'm gonna show you my this. Okay, have to open VIP Pass. Subscribe now. Okay, guys. Nope. Okay, guys. Here's my Lamborghini and this thing and the Mustang and this off-roader. I'm trying to get the Cybertruck. You have to go really far into the, like this Nissan GTR. It is $700,000. This money, oh my god, guys, look at this. And it has a Kwanzaa Jesko and a Pagani and a Lamborghini Huracan that is $7,000. And this Ferrari I have to drive 8. This is the Bugatti Divo, guys. Look at the back. Okay, guys, and we got the Koenigsegg Jesko. This is $175,000. I'm trying to get the Nissan GTR. I have to drive that miles, and I have to pay to get that thing. I'm just going to get my Lamborghini, and I'm trying to get the. Oh, no traffic. Okay, I unlocked that. I didn't even see that. Okay, guys. Oh yeah, guys. This is. Oh my flipping, guys, they need to touch this. I have about to show you guys. Okay, let's go to the airport if I know where the airport is, and show you guys the airport. Okay, the airport is this way. Okay, guys, I'll see you when I'm at the airport. Okay, guys, we are at the airport, so I have to show you this, guys. Look at the 30. Look. 70. Almost 400 per hour. That is a bug. Okay, extreme travel. Driving. You need to practice right now. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go up here. There is a drift mode. Oh no, I'm gonna fall. No! Yes, I saved Lamborghini. Okay, guys. I'm gonna jump out. Oh my god, guys. Look how high. Oh my flipping. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go there again. Woohoo! Okay guys, we are so close to 75. Yes guys, we got it. I need to see where is the other thing. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Like, subscribe and comment for more extreme driving cars. Bye guys.